Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to prepare Gourd juice. It's a super healthy drink to have early in the morning. So let's begin with the video. Here I have some roughly chopped Gourd pieces. I have not peeled its skin just in order to save time, but if you have time and if you want, you can peel the skin as well. Here I'm putting all the attachments of my juicer. It's super convenient and super easy to prepare different juices in this juicer. But yes, cleaning it is a bit of a task. And here I'm preparing the juice. I prepared 3 glasses of it. If you want, you can add a bit of salt and black pepper and lemon to enhance the taste, but we prefer having it just like that. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.